Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will start our second number chapter. Our second number chapter is Fun with Numbers. So, in earlier standard, in standard 3, we have already learned about numbers, right? We had learned about 3-digit number system and we had already learned about 2-digit number system in first standard. So, this is kind of repetition for you because in this chapter you have to learn till the 3-digit number. So it's kind of repetition, so this will become very easy for you. So in this chapter we are going to cover about different things of 3-digit numbers. In 3-digit numbers, see, as I told you, this is a revision kind of chapter for you as you have already learned in second standard. So, in 3-digit number, you will get the number from 101 to 999. In any 3-digit number, reading from left, the first digit is that of 100, the second digit is tens, and the third digit is of ones. Okay, अगर आप left side से देखो, but we are always starting from the right side, right? So ones, tens and 100. I have taught you that way. That remember from ones, tens and 100. So ones का मतलब होता है only one. Tens का मतलब होता है group of 10. Here you will find out the 3 group of 10. So it's 3 tens. And 100 means group of 100. So next is the next number 135. Yeah, I've shown you. In next number 326. So where you will find out the 300 group of 300. Then group of 2 tens. 10 के 2 group. यहाँ पे 100 के 3 groups है. And here is a 6 ones. So these are the 3 places in the 3-digit number. In 3-digit number, you will get the greatest number, which is 999, and the smallest number is 100. Now, there is a trick to remember the greatest number and the smallest number. In greatest number, there is only a combination of 9. In the smallest number, the combination of 1 and 0 has been given. So, here first digit is 1, the rest of the digits are 0. This way you will find out the combination. Look at here. For one digit में what is the greatest number? It is 9 and the smallest one is 1. In 2-digit number, you are going to put 2 times 9. And in the smallest number, first you will write down 1 and then afterward how many digits left? Only 1 digit is left, so you will put there 0. In 3-digit number, you will write down 3 times 9 and then in smallest one, first you will write down 1. After that, only 2 digits are left, so in that place you will write down 2, 0. So this is the way you will remember the smallest and the greatest number. Now next I will give you some of the example on the abacus. We have already learned the abacus in the second standard and in first standard as well. So we are going to repeat it. Here 264. Okay. So here is a 100 place पे 2, tens place पे 6, ones place पे 4. So according to the place, according to the number, you will put the bits on the abacus. And how will you write down this number? In a word, the way you are reading the number, the same way you are writing the number. First you will say 2, so write down the spelling of 2, 100, then write down the spelling of 100, 6, 4, 64, so 64. To write the number in words, you just remember the spelling of 1 to 20 and 30, 40, 50. 1 to 100 के प्रॉपर स्पेलिंग आपको आने चाहिए. That's it. Then you can write down easily. So here is the next example. 642 where 6 पीछे से हम देखते हैं तो 2 is your ones, 4 is your tens and 6 is your 100. According to the number you will put the beads in the particular place. So the same way you are reading the number, the same way you are writing the number. 600, write down 6 and the spelling of 100. 4 to 42. We have already learned the spelling from 1 to 100. So these are very important. Now next, look at your textbook on the page number 13 where you will find out one activity. See, and based on some activity there are some blanks and you have to fill up the blanks. Here can you see that there are some children sitting under the tree and they are collecting some seeds. Okay, can you see that? See, they are collecting some seeds and there are some dialogues between them. The dialogues between Radhika, Gauri, Vicky, Indra and Sunil were collecting imli seeds. Turmerind. Imli matlab turmerind. Okay. ये इमली का पेड़ है और वो नीचे से उसके सीड्स कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. नाउ our first question, blank collect the most seeds. Find out. Here is a Vicky collecting 42, Indra collect 54, Sunil collected 38, 47 and 24. Now you will compare who has, I think Indra. So who collect the most seed? Indra. Now second number blank, Sunil will collect blank more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Now here is a little bit trick. Sunil will collect blank more seeds to be equal to Vicky. Now how many more seeds Sunil will collect, then he will be equal to Vicky. So here Sunil has collected 38 seeds and the 42 seeds. So what will you do? After 38 you will count till the 42 as both are the nearby numbers. So after 38, 39, 40, 41 and 42. So 4 more seeds. As the numbers are nearby to each other, that's why we are counting with the cuts. Otherwise, what will you do? You will do the subtraction. The another way is 42 minus 38 and then you will get the answer 4. See, this is the correct way, but as I told you, both the numbers are nearby to each other. That's why we are counting. We are using our cuts. Now next is, if Radhika gets 6 more seed, she will have blank. 6 more. More का मतलब add करना. Now what is the number of seeds with Radhika? Radhika having 24 seeds. 6 more plus 6. So after 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So Radhika is having, she will have 30 seeds. Next question, how many children have more than 40 seeds? More than 40. 40 say above. Look at here. Here is a 1, 54, 42 and 47. So there are 3 children. Blank needs 3 more seeds to have 50. Now 42. Only 3 plus 3 करेंगे. 42 plus 3? No, it's not possible. 47. 48, 49, 50. Yes, that's possible. So what's the answer? Blank needs 3 more seeds to have 50. So the girl is Gauri. Because 47 plus 3 is 50. That's why. Now next, Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and blank has 2 seeds more than 40. Okay, less than 40, 2 seeds, and more than 40, 2 seeds. Ye wala 40 plus 2. So that's the boy Vicky. विकी के कितने हैं 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2 means 42, right? Now turn your page. On the next page you can see that there is one game which is called dot game. In this game what you have to do? The instruction has already given, so I am reading it for you. Guess the number of dots in the circle. Now count and check your guess. Play this game with your friends by making circle and see who can guess best. तो यहाँ पर क्या करना है? See, this is a box filled with a lot of circles. So randomly you will do the circle that anywhere in this box and tell your friend to find out or guess how many dots in that circle without counting. And then afterward you will count this and check that your friend guesses correctly or not. How best he can guess. Okay. So this is the game. So you will play it with your friends and family. It is a fun game. Now next activity is Dhoni's century. Century means 100. 100 years को century बोलते हैं. 100 runs को century बोलते हैं. Okay. So 1 day match. So what is the condition? 1 day match between India and South Africa in Guwahati. India's batting first. So here there are some dialogues of commentators and can you see the match over here on the big screen? So here is a one commentator who will comment on Dhoni on 96, only 1 ball left. Will he complete his century? And look at this, what a marvelous 6. And फिर यहाँ पे एक और लेडी भी बोलती है, has he completed his century? ऐसे पैनिक क्रिएट करते, वो कर पाएगा कि नहीं कर पाएगा? It is a anchor's part. Now here will come to the mathematic part. So fill in the blanks. Dhoni's score is 96 and marvelous 6. 6 में कितने balls होते? एक 6 hit करेंगे तो he will score 6 runs. So 96 plus 6. So total you will get 102. How will you do that? Doing the addition. 6 plus 6, 12. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 102 runs. So here are more questions. How many runs do these players need to complete a century? Century means 100 runs. How many runs do this player need to complete a century? To complete the 100 runs? See, player number 1 having 93. So what will you do? There are 2 ways. See, these are in 90s. 90s are nearby the 100. Okay, so you can count it after 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. How much cards? There are 7. So, player 1 needed 7 runs. Now, player 2 having 97, 98, 99, 100. So, we are counting till the 3 cards. So, what's your answer? 3. So, player 2 needed 3 runs to complete a century. Now 89. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. So it's a 11 cards. So player 3 needed 11 runs to complete a century. Whereas player 4 having 99. So there is only one run. He needed only one run to complete his century. Now, on the next page, what is the next page? See, this is a sounds. Look at the next page. What do you find out? Here on the next page, you will find out the fill in the blanks. And here, there are some dialogues. After 99, we go on like this, okay? 101, 102, 103 and so on. So here is 99, 100, 101. Then afterward, 102. We have already done this kind of thing in second standard. So it's a revision. 103, 104, 105. So here you will write down the number 105. 106, 107. Here you will write down the spelling. 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112. Now here is the number from 195 and 206. These are numbers in figure and these are numbers. Same figure numbers are in words. 195 so on. यहाँ पे 112 है तो उससे आगे 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 वो चलता ही रहेगा. 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200, 201, then 202. The same spelling. 202. 203, 204. Write down 204, 205. Spelling 2HUNDRED 100. 6. Okay. So this is the way you can write down many numbers till the 999. Till the 999, all the numbers are 3-digit numbers. Look at the workbook, chapter number 2, where you will get the similar kind of exercise like a textbook. See, the question number 1 is answer the following question on the basis of this picture. See, this exercise you will be done in your workbook as well. आपको workbook के अंदर ही करना है. Okay. Here, as I told you, some children are playing and they are collecting some seeds. See, the name of the children are Jinal, Neenal, Sunil, Sneha and Namit. Okay, they are collecting some seeds. Who collect the most seeds? किसने सबसे ज़्यादा collect करे? 44, 39, 48, 42 and 26. Who is collecting more? So that girl is Sneha. And how many? 48. Here you are comparing the numbers and you will find out the person. Who collected the least seed? Least मतलब सबसे कम. Can you find out 48, 39, 42, 26, 44? So here is a 26. But who collect? Jinal. The name of the girl is Jinal. And how many seeds she collected? 26 seeds. Number 3 question. What is the total number of seeds with Jinal and Sneha? Jinal and Sneha. what is the total number of seeds with both the girls? So what will you do for that? You will do 26 plus 48. 26 plus 48. So what will be the answer? 6. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 ka 4. Carry 1. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So total number of seeds are 74 with Jinal and Sneha. Okay. Number 4 question. What is the total number of seeds with Meenal and Namit? Meenal and Namit. 42 and 44. What is the total number of? So what will you do? You will do the addition of 42 and 44. How will you do the horizontal? First you will add the ones place. 4 plus 2, 6, then tens, 4 plus 4, 8. अगर कैरी आती है तो यहाँ पे ऐसे छोटी सी कैरी कर दो. Very simple. Number 5. How many more seeds do Sunil have compared to Jinal? Sunil having 42 and Jinal having 26. So definitely Sunil has more seed. But how many more? कितने ज़्यादा है? For that, what will you do? You will do the subtraction like this. 42 minus 26. So here is 42 minus 26. So here you will do the borrow. 4 पे आएगा 3. 12 minus 6. After 6, 6, 6, 12. And here is 1. So, he has 16 more seeds. Number 6 question. How many less seeds do Namit have compared to Sneha? Look at the Namit and Sneha. कितने less है? Both are in the same line. 40 की line में है. तो you can easily count. After 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So 4 seeds are less as compared to Sneha. Now number 7. How many more seeds do Jinal need to have 30 seeds? Where is Jinal? Here is a Jinal. Jinal needs to have 30. So after 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So she needs 4 seeds. She needs 4 more seeds. Now, other than this, आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can do the 30 minus 26 and then you will get the same. Same thing you will do it over here. 48 minus 44 and then you will get the answer 4. This is the another way. But I'm showing you the shortcut, so जो easily होता है. Now number 8. How many more seeds do Namit need to have 50 seeds? Where is Namit? 50. 45 की line में 50 आता है. Very simple. So after 45, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. It's other than this, you will do 50 minus 44 and you will get the answer 6. Number 9. How many children have more than 40 seeds? Okay, more than 40. 40 से ज़्यादा. 44, 48 and 42. There are 3 children. Number 10. After collecting the total seeds with Namit and Sneha, how many more seeds of they need to make it 100? After collecting the total seed with Namit and Sneha. Namit and Sneha. देखो. Namit and Sneha. That means 44 plus 48. तो कितने होंगे? How many more seeds they need to make it 100? अभी addition करते हैं, right? 8 carry 1. So here is a 92. 92. So how many more seeds they needed to make it 100? 8 more seeds. Okay? Because see, 92 के बाद 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. So there are 8 cups. So definitely your answer is this.